Hi guys, I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. This is Rudra, and I wanted to take it to this YouTube platform to talk about the recent Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj controversy that has been going on. You guys must have heard about Agrima Joshua. I don't know if I've pronounced the name properly. She's a stand up comedian who, for a show, cracked jokes on Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and the response that she got post this stand-up comedy event that took place was very bad. And this is not the first time where a stand-up comedian has used Hinduism and spoken about it. Um, taken. This is not the first time, I would say, where someone has made jokes about Hinduism. I we we all know stand-up comedians whose entire career has been about cracking jokes about Hindus. I don't need to name them. So let's get a fact right that if you guys are big secularism ke, I don't want to use those offensive words because then you all know what happens. If you guys are big secularists, then make sure that when you crack a joke on one religion, you crack you have that capacity to crack a joke about the other. Obviously it depends on you who to crack joke about. It's your take, right to speech and all that, but अगर एक रिलीजन के बारे में जोक्स मारने को दम रखते हो तो दूसरे के बारे में मारो. It's that's how it is. Whatever happened was wrong, but on the other side, the thing is, many took to social media and started revolts against her. I totally get their point where they uh, criticized her. Okay, yaar, criticize karo, no worries, but make sure your criticism is constructive rather than being abusive. Uh, I see. I've been following many YouTubers. I'm not going to name any. They've spoken about many social issues और अच्छा बोलते हैं यार. बंदे बहुत अच्छा बोलते हैं सोशल इश्यूज के बारे में एंड नेशनल सिक्योरिटी के बारे में. दे प्लॉट देयर व्यूज, प्लॉट देयर पॉइंट्स फॉरवर्ड. But some of them took it to YouTube and spoke out what they had to regarding this issue. And I totally got their point, I got their emotions, but the way they presented it was wrong. I'm not saying what the stand up comedian did, cracking jokes on Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, was right. Absolutely wrong. Absolutely wrong. Because when you crack jokes about a religion, about a community, it is taken for granted that you will attract hate. And this is not, actually, we all know this is not the first time where someone has spoken about someone has spoken and made jokes about Hinduism. Not the first time. And now, as a common man, what I feel is, अरे यार, ये बंदे हिंदुइज्म के बारे में जोक्स मारते हैं, बुरा लगता है, या ऑल दैट. आई डू अग्री, आई डेफिनेटली डू अग्री. राइट टू स्पीच वगैरह सब ठीक है, सब ठीक है. बट अगर इतने बड़े तुम सेक्युलरिज्म के चौधे हो ना, तो मेक श्योर कि जैसे तुम हिंदुओं के बारे में जोक्स मारते हो, बाकी के बारे में भी मार दो. क्योंकि अनफेयर होता है यार. प्ले फेयर, play how it is. Stand up comedians, so I don't need to tell you guys, it has been literally their career. Some of their careers have been based on Hinduism jokes, and making mockery of Hinduism is nothing new. It has been going on for a lot of time. It's not that I'm a Hindu bhakt or I don't expect any. It's not that I'm speaking bias and only talking about Hindus, but speaking what is fact, what is a fact. Somewhere or the other, बुरा लगता है कि जब your religion that you've been following, some of them are really devoted to their religion. बुरा लगता है जब कोई और goes out on an event and blabbers shit about the religion that you have been following. Yeah, it is. I mean, that is natural human tendency. You would feel bad when whatever you're doing is being criticized, or whatever you have been following is criticized on on a frequent note. So I think whatever the way people revolted against her and gave her rape threats, I 100% condemn it. 100% to be condemned, because that is not the way you put it forward. I understand the emotions, the rage, the anger, but it is clearly not the way how it has to be put up. So I really felt like taking it to social media as in YouTube, where a video could, where I could put up a video that could actually make sense. Um, Secondly, I'm repeating the point again. Let's stick to let's criticize. Undoubtedly, when you do something like that, you should expect criticism on the social media. You know how viral things on social media can get, but when I say let's criticize, let's ensure कि हमारी criticism जो है वो constructive criticism हो और abusive criticism ना हो. So this was my take on it. If you feel that somewhere or the other I have spoken wrong about this, or yeah, wrong about this, I'll leave my Instagram handle below. You guys would just let me know in my DMs कि this was the point and we didn't like the way you presented so and so point. Anyways, I hope this controversy gets resolved as soon as possible. And on the other note, I hope that some sense may prevail to the stand-up comedians as well, that do not crack jokes about a religion when you know you are going to attract hate. सब पता है यार, freedom of speech है, all that, but make sure that अगर तुम एक रिलीजन के बारे में जोक्स मारने को दम रखते हो तो दूसरे के मारो. And unnecessarily, we should also ensure that we do not attract hate on social media. They are all emotions, rage, anger, totally I understand, but let's keep it this way. I hope also okay. Anyways, I would be winding up now. If you have managed to stick till here to the 8 minute 8 minute 10 seconds ka thing right now, then thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe if you feel that this video was of some use, and make sure you like it if your thoughts and my thoughts have gone hand in hand somewhere. And if you have not liked it, you could leave a dislike. Would really appreciate your response. And I leave my social media handles below in the description. And let's stay connected on all social media platforms. Peace out.